Hey everybody, Shu and April here. Well, it looks like I almost made it off of Santa's naughty list this year, but I guess we're going to have to wait till next year to find out. So until next year,
We would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here.
And hit the bell button up here. Ching.
Because New Year's Day we're going to be in Philadelphia and we're going to be filming the Mummers Day Parade. If you've seen the videos in the past, you'll see that is a blast and it is funny. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification, and until next time, y'all stay safe out there.